रेशा साहब ने एक अर्थ आहे त असांजा कम जेका आहिनि सो बिना धागा सगा ही हुआ साईं बसा ही कहिड़े पासे ले वेंदो एतिरी ताक़त कोन्हे पर I want to say something in English. Honorable Reisha Sahab, Learned Sardar Chania Sahab, आदि सिद्दीकी साहब, सर मैं थोड़ा मैं वो बहरा हो गया हूँ, मैं कम सुनता हूँ जैसे पुलिस नहीं सुनती, इसी तरह मैं भी बहरा हो गया, थोड़ा सा Esteemed audience, ladies and gentlemen, and I say gentle ladies and gentlemen, why not gentle? साईं रमज़ान साहब जो आहे 100 मार्च ऐं साईं सुमरे साहब जन फरमायो आहे त अवल तव्हां वञो चेयरमैन ॾे and this is what part of law. Sayan competent beta and is very competent in law and English, he is very fluent in English. I appreciate it. Dr. Sajjad Sai Sajjad sir. I वाकई क़याम जा ॾींहं अची विया न असांजा रईस जेका नेता क़ाबिल थिया exhaustion. You have to exhaust local remedy. This is a fact. This is a law. I think in 1871 or something it was adopted. And then Saint फरमाया कि मैं वो आपने फरमाया तो मेरा साईं बर्बादी मिशन को एक ही उल्लू काफी था हर शख्स पे उल्लू बैठा है अंजाम पुलिस का क्या होगा You are talking about this SKSA and I am talking about the entire system. I recall my memory once during struggle, Mustafa Kamal Pasha said, bulldoze them, and he bulldozed everything. Norms, values, conventions, law, customs, and our people have done this thing. They have destroyed everything. If you want to spoil a nation, I forgot the name of that scholar. If you want to spoil a nation, destroy the education system. The entire education will come to the ground. No need of any classroom or atom or marine nuclear weapon. No any conventional or nuclear weapon. No. And we are doing the same. असल में also in the ज़माने में जब तो मोहम्मद मशहूर और साईं के तो उनका बंदे वही जाते ऊपर जाएगा तो पूछा तो अच्छे तो माँ पांच ही कोई पान मोड़े लिखा रहा We are doing the same. He was a joker. He was a clown. And everywhere every clown is doing this. But I think this time Sadas has taken the rein in their hands and said, Reisha Sahab, this is my first मुलाकात थे या कुछ पहली भेरे अवां सां मुलाकात थी है पहले भेरे मिलो आहियां ऐं जे अवां ये संदरा ॿधिया आहिनि त इंशाअल्लाह फतेह साईं साबिर शाह ही हुसैनियत का है छो त 80 केसेस आहिनि एतिरा केसेस जैसे सियासत को डिवर्ट करे छॾियो सभु कुझु करे छॾियो इंक्वायरी वग़ैरह दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ फतेह तेरे संदरा ॿधिया आहिनि करबला में लथायो त पंहिंजे वॾे ते नक्शे कदम कयो किथो ईंदो माशाअल्लाह छा थींदो वञणो त उहो ॿियो आहे पोइ छा त हीअ दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ एंड वी कैनॉट इग्नोर दिस थिंग आई हैव too many things but I don't want to say people will clap Baba Jan Shagan. So I don't want to say but I want to point out one thing and that is important. What is a long story and I don't want to let Dr. Sagar. He said I have written a long speech but I don't want to because it will dishearten other people and it will disturb them. तो लतीफ से सावन के सायो तो के न सायो आते सो लतीफ सरकार की बड़ी गाल के त सिंधी बोली खड़ी बोली है ऐं अरबी जेका डिफरेंट हुई नेचर टेम्परामेंट डिफरेंट आहे सायो सही मां लैस लिल इंसान इल्ला मा सा जीअं फैस जो करो छाओ मूंखे चङी तरह यादि न रखंदो अपने बेखाब किवाड़ों को मुकफ्फल करना किवाड़ इज ए वेरी टफ एंड रफ वर्ड used in ghazal, very delicate. Second, I cannot read because it's against Sindhi norms and it's vulgar language. So then I want to say one thing that I experienced. You are asking, sir, the chairman of board. I am asking the vice chancellor. Let me allow to say this. Almost all gives a gratitude. Almost all vice chancellors are chancellors of vices. Correct. And inept, inefficient. There is nothing but used to make money, and that is the fact that Mr. Ramzan said. However, I want to say one thing only, and please give me some suggestion am I right or wrong. I have committed some wrong, some mistake, but it gave me some sort of sense. I was paper setter of this, Public Service Commission, same Public Service Commission. They sent me a paper to set. I carried out, I dispatched, but that gave me a hint that later they are going to conduct examination. So I declared, I passed an order that please appear within 7 days in the final examinations. Hue and cry, Manuya, Gir Sarjan बैठा हो न देखे तो ये तो जुल्म कलूरा बोलो ये कड़ी जुठा है within a week की preparation का था जो जिस हिसाब के वो जो का जिस हिसाब से जो खिलाफ ने जो का 90 million और 900 million वन 50 करोड़ रिकॉर्ड करा है तो मैं मुझे नाराज हुआ साइड क्योंकि ही प्रोफेसर ना फर्जन शाह गुंडो मां कुछ न तो कर सका स्टे ऑर्डर वाज इन बुक के देने का टेंशन न कर दो मुझे हेलमेट पाता they appear and I call controller of examinations and other people तो मेजर सब था चाहिए तमाम जितना भी एनओसी वगैरह सब था कंप्लीट करने के लिए तैयार कर लेशन within 7 days they completed and the date was announced and my students appeared among them 15 qualified by examinations some are judges some are one was brigadier and 2 or 3 were colonels and squadron leader and most of them are lecturers. It was my thinking that time is very important. I wrote it here. That moral of my this story is, real lesson is, delay is a sin. Sign the time, justice delayed, justice denied. Sayata computer is very fluent in English and is very fluent in job. But I dare to say something in his face that delay is the worst thing that is being perpetuated. It is being given, what you call it, एक जहन्नम बना देती है, अजियत बना देती है, इंतज़ार प्रशेद बिना मौत. बोली है निकाल के जो कौन सा आता है, हिंदे तेरा वादी का साइंजन रहता है, साइंजन निकाल के करने पर no delay. Announce at once. Go through each and everything very minutely and साइंजन जब उठे हो तो मानते याद है साइंजन का छाड़ ये कहने आने छाड़ करने खबर बच्चों को ही अच्छा करने खबर सॉल्यूशन एक ही है एडी लीडरशिप अचे जेका हिन ॻाल्हि हिते जेको पाण जेको आहे संतरा बदन पाण हलनि असां जेका नंढा बंदा अंदा जेका साईं जेको पोइ हाणे sincerity is the first point that could be accepted in this society. Sincere leadership achieve, nothing is wrong, nothing is difficult. You can make your way. And we can get the Public Service Commission, Vice Chancellor's office and the people who are at the helm of affairs, they are mentally paralyzed, bankrupt, and therefore a combined struggle is necessary, as Dr. All the best. Wish you luck. I don't want to waste time. All the best.